2, 1.
Hello, fellow Brightwood scientists. Welcome to our Korean STEM class. Today we will be learning about how important STEM is for our everyday lives.
In this episode, we'll take a scientist test to see what type of scientists we are. Then we'll talk about one of the greatest scientists, Macy Jemison, and her subject.
First off, let's learn some vocabulary words. Our first vocabulary word will be STEM. STEM stands for Science, Technology, Engineering, and Math. In these jobs, there's less probability of job loss, and workers earn 26% more money than on an average job, which is very good money.
Our next vocabulary word is a scientist. It's a person who knows studying or has expert knowledge of one or more of natural physics and science. Our next vocabulary word is a technician, a person who employs to look after technical equipment or do practical work in a lab.
Our next vocabulary word is engineer. An engineer is a person who designs, builds, or maintains engines, machines, or public works.
Today we're going to start the scientist test. Where would you rather work? Somewhere quiet and where you can focus, in a lab surrounded by interesting things, the great outdoors, an environment with a lot of high-tech equipment, anything with animals. What word describes you the best? Inquisitive, analytical, patient, meticulous, compassionate. Which film would you prefer to watch? Limitless, The Mummy, The Imitation Game, The Marathon, The Zoot Troops Police. If you were granted one superpower, which of the following would you choose? Time travel, talk to animals, control the elements, the ability to heal with touch, telekinesis. Would you prefer to watch the sky through a telescope, build things? I like your pet animal. Make a perfume out of the flowers that you found. Read all books you could find. Which of the statements do you relate to the most? I want to leave the world a better place than when I came into it. Technology is the future. I'm excited to see where it goes. I want to understand how this planet and the life on it came to be. There's so much than just our planets in this universe I want to explore. Once we fully understand our biology as humans, we can work towards a better life for everyone. Which of the following things would you rather see in a person? A zombie, dinosaur walking the plains once again, Ambassadors of a lost city, a sentient robot, extraterrestrial life. If you had to give a presentation on a subject, what would you choose? The environmental impact humans have on the planets, the fundamental difference between humans and animals, how artificial intelligence and machines learn could change the world, how the life started on the planet and your prediction of Earth's future, the history of humans' disease, and how they were overcome by science. Which of the following was you prefer subject in school? Physics, biology, chemistry, history, and math. If you had to choose, which game would you rather play? Operation Mousetrap.
1. Jessel was one of the best scientists ever. She was the first black woman to go to the moon. She wanted to become a scientist ever since she was a kid. One of her passions is dance, and she was inspired to become an astronaut because of Star Trek. Now let's wrap up this video.
In this episode, you have learned about STEM and who works in it, and how the scientist test helped us understand more about STEM. We have also learned what STEM stands for: Science, Technology, Engineer, and Math. Thank you for watching. See you next time.